Tingala ko rin nagpasengay. Gani.
Ang Gcash ah, Gcash.
Yung unang table doon o kasama nila rin.
Thank you, thank you.
Naghahanap ako ng mga ginadjudger ko ng mga best in attire.
Ay,
Merry Christmas po!
Merry Christmas.
Dapat na Merry Christmas! Ulang na lang dok ako doon.
Ang Gcash, Gcash. Joke. Joke lang, joke. Merry Christmas na.
Dok na may ano pa dok, na may arakang, may regalo.
Ang Christmas na naman din na.
Ario.
Okay. Hi everyone. Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Ayan, para mga attendees na ating mga
Live.
participants or ating employees tonight. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to elevate your holiday spirit because we are about to kick off one of the most stylish celebration of the season. And I welcome you all to tonight's celebration, your Gen Z Denim Big Christmas Party. It's not just about denim, it's all about the vibe. And my name is Star, I'm your MC for tonight's celebration, and I'm here to guide you all throughout the evening for fun and excitement, and of course, up until the last light will be turned off. Mamaya, ayan. And of course, because tonight we're not making memories, we're also creating a joyful symphony of love and laughter. Hello, hi, and mabuhay once again, maayong gabi sa ating tanan. And of course, to welcome us all in tonight's celebration, may request Dr. Remigio Rivera, our DOE chairman, for his opening remarks. Sir, a round of applause, please.
Hello, good evening. Mas mabilis magtawag yung MC natin kaysa yung nag-prepare ng drinks eh.
Wala gali dire.
May pinapaprepare ako doon para...
Ayaw sa iya, Christmas. Santa Claus.
Kasi mukhang matagal pa yung ating dinner. Kaso na lang, nakunahan sila ng aming MC. So, ganun pa man. So, this evening,
Pare.
as we celebrate Yuletide, yung kaarawan ni Jesus, ating pakatandaan na sa pagsiselebrate natin through Jesus Christ, through this sa pagsiselebrate natin ng kaarawan ni Jesus Christ, ito ang pinakamabisang team building activity na nagaganap sa ating ospital. Walang anumang team building activity na ating sinasakatuparan na mas higit pa dito dahil sa panahon ng ating celebration ng Yuletide, ng Christmas party ng hospital, tayong lahat ay nagsasama-sama, nagbabanding, nagiging masaya, nagsishare ng kung ano-ano, nagpipintuhan, at marami pang iba na ating ginagawa habang tayo nagsasama-sama. So, ganun to. So, sa ganung tema, alalahanin natin na sa panahon ng ganitong selebrasyon, tayo sa Socomedics Medical Center ay nabubuo. We become united in our celebration of Christmas season. So, yan po ang ating tandaan dahil once we are all united, once we are one in our plans, in our activities, marami po ang mararating na ating Socomedics Medical Center. So, sa ganitong mga activity, yan po ang ating layunin na sana'y malayo-layo pa ang mararating natin sa Socomedics. Ang ating South Cotabato Medical Cooperative na ay patuloy na maging matagumpay sa kanyang hikayin at sa kanyang planong ipapas sa katawan. So, hindi ko na lang pagkakagayin dahil po kayong natigil lahat ng Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Mabuhay po tayo lahat, mabuhay po ang Socomedics Medical Center, mabuhay ang South Cotabato Medical Cooperative.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mayor Rivera, our DOH Chairman, and to those who just arrived, welcome po sa anong year-end evaluation, celebration rather. And I think it's time for us to witness the opening salvo by the management. Ready na ba kayo? Yung mga management natin? O ready na? And right after this one, please prepare for your ating dance groups because we'll be next to perform. Again, calling the attention of our management. Ayan, magpapakitang dinas ang ating management subong. And of course, as advised po by the management, ipastap po na natin yung ating cocktail para po, pero yung ating mga doctors and other VIPs, pwede po tayong mag-order. Okay, community dance. So, ina-request ang lahat sa pagtindog kag sunod natin yung ating mga dito sa tubangan daw. So, let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, and let's all stand. Okay, tayo daw lahat. Okay na mahal na tutulong na aning tanan, pero anyway, it's time for us to break the leg and stretch ang ating mga talongan. Okay, requesting everyone to follow our management for their dance steps. Pinagtan nila. Pero practice na ito ng 2 months. 2 months and 1 day. Everyone!